One day, a king was walking with his minister on a farm. There he saw a farmer with his wife and son. They were very happy, radiant faces. बहुत खुश थे वो, beaming with joy, full of life, dancing. The king said, he just thought, I have a huge, massive palace that anyone could dream for. And they're happier than me. ये मुझसे भी ज्यादा खुश हैं. जो मेरे पास चीज है उसके लिए तो दुनिया तरसती है. And they are more happier than me. Why? How is it so? Then the minister replied, कि sir, they're not officially the members of 99 Club. The king asked, what is this 99 Club? क्या है ये 99 Club? The minister said, give me a bunch of 99 gold coins and I will let you know what is this 99 Club. The king did so. He gave 99 gold coins to the minister and the minister said, I will let you know, but not now. I will tell you after 6 months. Give me 6 months, then I will let you know what is this 99 Club. The minister collected that pile of 99 gold coins, put it in a bag and put it at the door of farmer. Farmer के दरवाजे के बाहर रखा है वो minister 99 gold coins का bag. Next morning, when the farmer got up, he was surprised. Oh gosh, this 99 gold coins glittering, twinkling. He was awestruck. उसने कभी ऐसा देखा नहीं था. Such a stroke of good fortune. Wonderful. He lost his senses. He started counting what is in this bag. He saw gold coins and he started counting 1, 2, and he counted up to 99. He thought, I missed one. I should count again. दोबारा count करता हूँ. किसी ने रखे होंगे तो कम से कम round number में तो रखता 99 नहीं 100 होने चाहिए. So he counted again. Again it was 99. He told his wife, यार तुम count करो. Please count me. Count it for me. The wife counted and it was again 99. Something is missing. He told his son to count and it was again 99. No. This won't work. It should be 100. ऐसे नहीं चलने वाला. 100 हमें करने ही पड़ेंगे तभी हम enjoy कर पाएंगे. Then only we will be able to enjoy our life. First we will need to make it 100. The farmer thought like this, that this 99 is not enough to derive happiness, to derive pleasure, to derive luxuries that he dreamt of. He wanted to make it 100 first. For that one extra coin, he worked day in and day out, worked really hard, sweat his blood. And the wife thought, my husband is such a nut. He has 99 gold coins and is not enjoying it. So she picked up the 2 gold coins and went for shopping. तो उसकी वाइफ सोचने लगी, मेरा पति तो एकदम पागल है. इसके पास 99 है और ये भी एंजॉय नहीं कर रहा. वो उसने 2 कॉइन लिया और वो शॉपिंग के लिए चली गई. Then फार्मर की एक हैबिट थी, एवरी डे इन द इवनिंग when he comes, तो वो उसे काउंट करता था. He used to count that. And that day it was 97. The farmer yelled and shouted, why, where are the 2 gold coins? Now it is 97. Well, the wife said, I have picked those 2 for my shopping. I am not like you. मैं तुम्हारे जैसी बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ. The farmer yelled, I am working hard for one. Now you're wasting this gold coins on a trivial shopping. Are you nut? First, let us make it 100. Meanwhile, the son also picked 2 gold coins and spent it. 6 months passed like this. 6 महीने हो जाते हैं. Again, they were walking on a farm, the farmer and his family, and the king saw the faces, radiant faces had gone. The glow had gone, the song had gone, the joy of love had gone, everything was gone. The king was quite surprised to see 6 months back they were very happy and now they are very anxious. There were fights, arguments, continuous bickering. What happened? The minister said, now officially they are the members of 99 Club. So 99 Club is that club, the members of which who are waiting for one gold coin to derive happiness, they are not utilizing the 99. एक के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. जब एक आएगा तब खुशी ढूंढेंगे, तब एंजॉय करेंगे लाइफ को, तब जाएंगे हॉलीडेज पे. They're not enjoying the 99 what they have. What a nut. कैसे बेवकूफ idiot हैं. Then the king laughed and understood what is 99 Club. Yes, we also did this thing in the same, like farmer. 10th हो जाए तब करेंगे, मस्ती करेंगे, तब मजे करेंगे, तब बाहर जाएंगे. 12th हो जाए, जॉब, promotion. Every day we keep on postponing the things. We don't derive pleasure, we don't enjoy happiness in the journey. Meanwhile in the journey itself, छोटे छोटे माइल स्टेप्स हैं ये हमारे लाइफ के. हमारा करियर, हमारा एजुकेशन, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मैरिज, देन मच मोर. ठीक है, बच्चे हो जाएंगे, देन वी विल फ्री. बच्चों को शादी हो जाएगी, देन वी विल फ्री. बट इवेंचुअली वी लर्न happiness is not a destination when we will achieve it by attaining a step of ladder. No, happiness is a journey. If you feel like going for a holiday, just go it. Don't postpone things. If you want to express your love, just do it. If you want to celebrate something, do it. Don't postpone it. Live small moments in a very different way, like the way you always wanted. Just hear the voice of your heart. Don't postpone the things. Happiness is not a destination, it is a journey itself. Thank you.